Thank you.
Thank you.
Just now the PP meeting of all the newly elected NPP MLAs. Just now we had a meeting and we decided and we have also elected Sri Conrad Sangma, our Chief Minister, as the PP leader of the that is the decision we take this morning. And the rest, please, our Chief Minister will detail all of it.
Sir, in total, how many MLAs are going to Governor House along with this?
No, so we are, of course, our NPP MLAs are on their way because they are all election results got over last night. So till they are formally here, of course, on the phone we have spoken to everybody, and we are going to proceed as a party. And of course, BJP has given its formal support to us, but we are going to meet the Honourable Governor, requesting him to call us and invite the National People's Party to form the government. And in the meantime, as I said, the BJP and other political parties have already extended their support, and those details are still with us.
So how many political parties are?
We'll let you know.
And when you want how many MLAs are going
we have been communicated. Yeah, we've been communicated that the Honourable Home Minister and the Honourable, maybe even the Honourable Prime Minister would like to attend the swearing in, and therefore we are waiting for confirmation from the Honourable Prime Minister's office. So if he will be attending the swearing in, then we'll have to wait for the dates according to the Prime Minister.
So we were informed that the UDP is here to take a call to extend support to you, sir?
No, we are asking the Governor to invite the National People's Party, being the single largest party, to form the government. And as I said, we have already got support from different political parties, and that we will let you know.
How many MLAs?
I'll let you know.
So, UDP has extended support, because we are made to understand
That the UDP is here to take a call on the, this matter.
So you know it then. Today we just had a meeting only with our NPP mainly, and of course our independent from Bakmara was also here already. This is somewhere behind, and BJP. So right now we are 29. 29 means as a party from different independent and the political parties.
So HSPDP has also extended support to you.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So we don't want to give all the details. Just wait and watch. So we'll have some.
Kaseng NPP hapok kejingalam Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha kasintok diang jangkatayau kalali ikenduk yulat kejela bandet mekam bantau ke Sorkar jela hadian berada pemenang ke result jong ke election MLA Arhajar Arpulai. Konrad Kongkal Sangma rengkat bat ke arpusangut ke MLA bertamai ke NPP rengkat bat arngut ke MLA ke BJP. Kilalit ini ke jingbuan pat akamat ulat kejela upagu Chauhan na gebenta baniok bantau ke Sorkar ke bertamai ha Meghalaya. Kumagalong mentak NPP kedan arpun rungut ki MLA kat ba ka BJP kedan arngut ki MLA. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ubelas ajiat kum unang elam ka Parliamentary Party ulang bayak Sorkar Synroplang on elam dak NPP ka badan palat Leit arngut ki MLA ha ka ban kersan dak BJP bat kiwe ki sengsan partai. Nrai amsyam na tre apat benetho eka kerteng jong ki seng ki ban ajing kersan ni ki MLA klemseng. Na kisan pekandai teligi konstituensi bantau ke Sorkar dan ram bandon lai pungut MLA. Tangki MLA ke NPP BJP ke 4 don ya ke jingbuan 4 bat ke 4 la bantau ke Sorkar ke bertemai. La banong bakaseng UDP ke job katwe teligi seat ke Kongres san teligi seat ke TMC san teligi seat ke VPP South teligi seat ke PDF art teligi seat ke HSPDP art teligi seat bat arngut ki kertong klemseng kila job hakenik election.
Invited us, so we will now, as soon as the MLAs all start arriving here, we will formally get all the signatures done.
So he will call you tomorrow or today, sir?
We'll see.
And when will be the meeting to decide the name of
As soon as all the MLAs, because the problem is, as I said, yeah, the results just came out yesterday. So a lot of the MLAs have just come out in the constituencies. Some are still on the way. All these things are there. So no, because we have to give the signatures, begin the signatures, everything. But because as I said, MLAs are still on their way. That is the reason why we don't want to submit a list which is half.
So by evening,
Mainly NPP MLAs have not been able to arrive yet.
Please.